What's up, guys? So I'm just doing a quick review on my STI clutch. So I had bought the ACT brand, which is that one right there. So to be honest, I gave it a shot the first time. I got it installed. The clutch literally lasted me about a week until I had to replace the throwout bearing because the throwout bearing went, and so I decided to give it a second chance, and I waited another week, and then the actual clutch started slipping, and I'm only running like a stage 1 plus tune, and that's about it. I'm not running nothing crazy. Maybe I've done a couple pulls, but yeah, like I've done more pulls in a Honda and the clutch lasted you like 5 times longer. Also, I had a little issue with the clutch because I ended up replacing both sides again, the clutch flywheel and the pressure plate, and it ended up breaking off on me again. And this was after probably like, after the second week I ended up replacing it. That said, so I'm moving forward. I'm gonna try out the XCD clutch. It's a twin disc clutch kit. A lot of my friends recommended it. They said, it's just hold higher in power, and it still is very comfortable on the road. That's what they recommended. So I'm gonna try that out, and then I'm gonna do a review on that. But as it comes as to the ACT heavy duty street Pro, and I got a Pro light flywheel, it didn't manage. Like the revving was good for the first week, but once I did a couple pulls on the highway, everything just started giving me problems. The throwout bearing, and then the clutch felt like it was slipping, and I did everything. I thought it could be like my slave cylinder, so I did the clutch, the slave cylinder. I did a lot of things, and it was just a waste of money. So not once, but twice I had to change the clutch. So that's that. If you guys got any other questions as to the review on the clutch, let me know. If anybody had a solution, you could drop it down. I'm open-minded to that too. But yeah, that's my honest review, and hopefully it don't happen to anybody else.